So far, our winter corral setup has been working great. The electric heater in the water tank has been doing well, and actually, because it keeps the water pretty warm, we've actually seen them increase their water intake. Otherwise, even though it's winter, we are still shifting paddocks. We do it about once a month. So they're in their second paddock for the winter right now, and we're getting ready to change that over next week.
Our heifers are now 9 months old, and they are doing very well. We're feeding them mixed hay and a little grain and their supplements. They've got on their nice woolly coats for the winter, and we're very happy with how they're doing. Another thing that happened this month was our awesome dog Carli decided to go running around and ended up getting stuck by a stick. So I had to take her to the vet, and that's why she has this awesome little shirt on to help let it heal. Her injury has not slowed down Carli at all.
Late this fall, before the ground froze, we did plow up this 1 acre behind me with the Farmall Cub and our 1 bottom plow. It pretty much took about a day and a half to do the whole thing, and by the time we were done, I was tired of riding that tractor.
Our 2 quail are still doing great in our little quail igloo. They're still laying eggs. There's one over here. And they're still tasty.
We completed our final preparations on the Farmall Cub for winter. So we got the snow plow mounted on the front. We got wheel weights and tire chains on the rear. It's all gassed up. We got it parked inside. It's ready to go. My job in the Coast Guard is aids to navigation. That's my specialty. This month I had an interesting project in where I visited Yaquina Head Light on the Oregon coast. The light was built in 1872, but the Fresnel lens inside was actually made in France in 1868. It was powered by 1,000 watt incandescent lamps, but because of a shortage of those, we're trying out a new LED designed for these old lenses. So that's an interesting project I had, and this LED is designed to throw the light 19 miles out to sea. I really enjoy my job in the Coast Guard, and I love aids to navigation, but I'm definitely looking forward to retiring and being on the farm full time.
We also decorated for Christmas. This is just the beginning of my Christmas decorating vision. I'm looking forward to next year when Stacy's retired and we're here together full time, that I can put up a whole lot more lights.
Things have definitely slowed down on the Tomarosa this winter, which is good. It gives us more time to spend together and work on smaller projects together.
And so we hope that you're having a good winter, and we wish you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.